Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Out in front of you is the Piper Cherokee. E-flite Piper Cherokee. And this is not the Piper Cherokee that you've seen me flown before. This is the first time I've ever flown this one. I sold my original one and I decided I wanted it back. This is the newer one with, it doesn't have a smart ESC, but it does have the new generation receiver in it. And my old one it still flew fine. There was absolutely nothing wrong with it. It was really getting beat up, and I'd had it since it was released, and I just wanted the new one. So I went ahead and got me a new one. And I took advantage of my some of the points I had with them. All right, we got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, down, right rudder, left rudder, and got flaps
up.
And that's pretty much it. I just did my range test, so running a 2700. Now she's really wanting a balloon on me. Need a lot of down trim needed. Good flying plane though. Very stable plane. Anyways, I'm running a 2700 4S enter. Good flying plane.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps. Time remaining 5 minutes.
I didn't put any elevator to flap mix. Instructions didn't say you needed one. So well, she'll fly nice and slow, won't she?
Flaps up.
No flap landing. There.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Just getting her trimmed out. Anytime you're flying a brand new plane, you want to get her nice and trimmed out. There we go. There we go. It's normal to
Takeoff flaps, landing
be a little nervous. If Mom stays, where's she gonna sit?
flaps up.
Yeah. I think I got a prop out of balance. Yeah, I think my prop's out of balance, which is unusual for an E-flite plane. Not bad for a maiden, not bad at all. Let's see what my prop's doing here. They just sound like a vibration in that prop. I could be wrong. Let's get above the plane. Let's get her, see what we got going here. I think she's okay. Yeah, she's rolling straight. Maybe it's just the way she sounds. Nice scale takeoff.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Oh man, what a sweet flying plane this is. If you're wanting a nice scale, just a sweetheart of a plane to fly.
Flaps up.
Cherokee is where it's at. Cirrus, the new Cirrus that comes out in May, yes, I've already pre-ordered it. They fly very similar. Very similar. And I'm looking forward to that one because that one is also a 3S or 4S. Now the original Cirrus, their blue and white one that I had, it was not a, that was a mistake, so I powered out of it. That one was not a 3 or 4S, it was 3S only. This one has always been. Yeah, let's try takeoff flaps. We're gonna land with takeoff flaps. Just a little bit of, slower it down just a little bit. Looks good against that silhouette of the sun. And of course she'll take right back off.
Flaps up.
Yeah, now I got her trimmed out. Yeah, she's very much a sweetheart. Very much a sweetheart. I know I'm just flying around and
Landing flaps.
not doing anything special.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
But when you maiden a plane, even though it's the same kind of plane I've had before, every aircraft is different. Yeah, every aircraft is different in how they behave and how they fly. Even that, you can have two exact identical planes, set them side by side, put the same fuel source in them, have the same trim settings, have everything identical, and one plane will fly a little bit differently than the other. Because they're just like children. Every child is different from the child next to them. May be very similar, may react very similarly, but each one is different. So that's one of the cool things about planes. People say, well, you only need one plane, you know. Yeah, but that's just it. Everyone's different. Getting to know each one's a different plane. Getting to know it. And this one is a complete sweetheart. All right, well, you know what? We got 1 minute and 9 seconds on a 6-minute timer. let's just go one more time, one more landing, and this time
Remaining 1 minute.
be no flaps. Be no flaps. No flaps. No flaps. Using my rudder to correct my trajectory, or my, there we go. Now see, no flaps, so she's gonna roll a lot further. But that's okay too. That front nose gear has some suspension to it. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the e-flite Cherokee from the Piper. Motor off. And see that elevator back there? It's full flying stab, so you don't need much movement because the whole thing moves. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.